Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on Tecno Spark Go 2022. And to do this, we'll need to open a Google Play Store. Now let's find Microsoft Edge in the top right here. Install it. When it's ready, you should be able to open it. Right here we can sign in to turn on synchronization. I'm gonna skip it. Set up for a data sharing preference, click on confirm. Set Microsoft Edge as the default browser. And from here it should be ready, you can open any website. And that's it for this video, hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.